Hey, Mark the Meerkat here with Grok Trade with the trade of the day here on June 30th, 2022. And I just got out of this trade a few moments ago. It's now here 10:25 Eastern Time, and I just got out of this one. So let's take a look at it. It was on CCL. The markets were dropping this morning, and CCL here out of the chute also fell down and was forming a descending triangle. If you want to know more about a descending triangle, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school. That's right here. You go right up here. It says Chart School. Click on that. It takes you right to the page. And here are the different trading patterns that we do. And it was a bearish pattern, descending triangle. Click on that. And here's the story of the descending triangle. It has a line of support here, a horizontal line of support. And it's going up higher. It's bouncing lower and lower. And then to read about it here, and you can set up a short trade on that one. And here's some examples. Here's on daily charts, these white charts here on daily charts where they would set up and broke down. And here are two of them from previous day trading charts. These are 1 minute candles that I'm trading off of. And here's a descending triangle, bam. Here's another one, bam. So they can be very powerful if you wait until they break down. Okay, let's take a look then back here at the setup here on CCL. CCL here again, descending triangle. It was coming up lower and lower here. So I set a trade just under this 840 line of support at 838, but it had to be on the uptick. Let's see what happened next here. And sure enough, it popped up. Bam, there it goes. Now it dropped down, but it hit 838, but did not fill me. It had to drop down and come back up to get me on the uptick. So I'm in at 838 and I have a 1% attached stop at 846. Let's see where we go from here. And bam, 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 bam. Now it's a little basing down here at the right at this S1 pivot line. So I was bringing my stop down here in. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take out half. My rules say if it stalls here for 3 minutes or more, I'm going to go ahead and take out a partial to lock in some profits here. And again, this is live. We're live to markets right now here at 816 is the current pricing. As you can see that jumping around. But I went ahead and I took out half here right at 825 for 1.6% on the first half. Then I'm bringing my stop here to 831 here, just above the 8 EMA and that 830. A possible line of resistance. Let's see what happens after that. Is it hard to go up, hit that 8 EMA, bam, bam, bam. Now it's a little basing down here at the 817 area, which has happened to be the current pricing on it here about 10 minutes after I'm in the trade. And I'm waiting here. So I'm bringing my stop down here just above the pivot line. Initially, I'm still waiting and waiting. Now I'm going to bring it down here by the 8 EMA. And it starts to fall again here. So I'm bringing my stop down here to 818. Now here basing down here in the 810 area now. So I'm going to bring my stop down here just above the 815, above the 8 EMA. And if it bounces up, I'm going to want to get out. And sure enough, it is 810, which is low of day, and pop right up there. Got me out here at 816 for 2.6% on the second half. So let's take a quick look at the trade. Descending triangle is set my trade. Let the market come to me. It got me in. It was basing here, so I went ahead and I took out a partial, and then it was basing again. When it dropped, it was starting to base here, so I pulled my stop down to above the 8 EMA, and as soon as it bounced right back up again, I am out. Where are we at currently here after the trade here? It's just kind of going sideways in this 815 to 820 area, down about 7% on the day for CCL. All right, so if you want to trade with other Grok graduates who are day trading right now, as I'm recording this, it's called the Grok Grad Trading Room. You can do that. You go to groktrade.com, and right up here, the second one, Grok Grad Trading Room, and they meet in the morning, and we're trading the markets. I'm in there about 2 or 3 days a week, coaching everybody while we do that. So again, Monday through Friday here, about 9 o'clock, we start prepping until about 11:30. And then again, if you'd like to do it, it's a 6-week risk-free trial. You can try it out and see if what you can learn from other Grok graduates of our Grok graduates of our mentoring program, and who are been day traders, some very experienced day traders in there, and there's some newer people. And again, for 6 weeks trial. Now, those who have gone through our mentoring program, which we call Grok graduates, it's free to them for continuing on here, and it's free for you for the first 6 weeks. And if you want to go through our mentoring program, that'd be great, and then you can also have lifetime access to it as well. So again, that's at groktrade.com. Sign up there, hit submit, and you can join us each morning between 9 and say 11:30 if Eastern time, if you can be in front of the market. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, trading is not rocket surgery. What you need to do is to develop some trading rules that will put the odds in your favor when you trade, and then follow those trading rules without emotion. Trade well, and may your winners run.